Hello, my beautiful souls. Take a deep breath. If you found this reading, it is not by accident. This message is meant for those who are emotionally connected to someone but seeking clarity. Set your intention, focus on the person you are thinking about, and allow the message to come through. I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll pull out the cards and see what will happen next between you and your partner. So we'll pull out what shift is coming. This is the current direction, 8 of Pentacles, their intention, 4 of Pentacles, their next action, 10 of Pentacles. There is a lot of Pentacle energy, timing energy, 9 of Wands, challenge ahead, Queen of Swords, likely outcome, 7 of Pentacles, and we'll also pull out the Oracle card and see what is the alignment advice, the divine timing, Archangel Gabriel, shimmer and diamond light, express your creativity. So this week, Archangel Gabriel's energy is lot. We'll see what shift is coming between you and your partner. The current direction is 8 of Pentacles. So, both of you and your partner are putting your effort towards the success of this relationship. I can see both of you are putting your entire effort with lot of hard work to make this relationship stable, success, and also to build your relationship with strong foundations. And what is your partner's intention towards you? They are feeling insecure. Your partner is more, see, as I said, there is a lot of pentacle energy, so it might be a mixed energy between love and finances. So your partner is feeling very insecure. Though your partner is well off, they have name and fame, but they are still insecure about their money or about their property. They just don't want to lose their money or property because they are feeling very insecure. They are being very possessive about their property and asserts what they have. So this is their intention. They feel insecure actually. Their next action. So as I said, your partner is well off. So they want to have a happy, settled and abundant family life which gives success, growth and happiness, and is also surrounded by family and friends. Maybe they'll propose you for the next step of your life. Maybe they'll propose you for marriage, and they wanted to see this relationship in a very harmonious and abundant energy. And the divine timing energy, what is here is both of you and your partner should set healthy boundaries, because as I said, your partner is feeling insecure and they are very possessive about their finances and properties. So it's better to set up a healthy boundary between you and your partner, especially if it is regarding finances, to make the relationship work. Because the divine is asking you to set up a healthy boundary so that you will not see challenges in this relationship going further. Okay? And the challenges ahead. If you don't set up a healthy boundary between you and your partner, what challenges you will be facing in future is you will have lot of conflict of thoughts. maybe you will be thinking in one direction and your partner might be thinking in other direction. There might be some hurdles popping in your relationship, but one of you being spiritual, I guess it is you are spiritually guided, and you will take a decision which will give you mental clarity. If you are facing challenges, then you will take a decision guided by your divine, which will give you mental clarity and stability, eventually the harmonious family life what you are seeking. The likely outcome is both you and your partner will invest in this relationship for long term. Both of you have lot of love and compassion. You are ready to invest in each other for long term success and growth of this relationship, and I can see a fruitful result in it. And the alignment advice for you, what divine is asking you to do is shimmer with diamond light, express your creativity. So the divine is asking you to express your creativity. Creativity here is express your nature. Archangel Gabriel is asking you to shimmer with diamond light, express your creativity. So Archangel Gabriel will guide you in this relationship and will help you by giving signs on what step to take and what move to make going further in your relationship. In order to summarize this, you and your partner are putting lot of effort in order to build this relationship and make it successful and stable, but your partner is feeling insecure around their finances and properties, but they wanted to have a harmonious and happy family, so they might propose you soon for marriage. And but still, even if you get proposal and you get married to your person, based on your person's intention of being possessive towards their property and money in terms of finances, it's the divine is asking you to set up a healthy boundaries between you and your partner in order to avoid the challenges. So don't set the boundaries, then the challenges you will be facing is you might find some obstacles and you will be confused and you are not able to go further. So but don't worry, Archangel Gabriel is guiding you and they'll motivate you to take some decision which will give you mental clarity, because you are spiritually aligned, and that will eventually give you stability and harmonious family. And the likely outcome is, though your person is possessive about the finances, but that person has lot of love and compassion towards you, and both of you are investing in this relationship for long term, and which I can see a fruitful and a harmonious relationship with growth. And in this journey of yours, Archangel Gabriel will enlighten you to express yourself and make this relationship fruitful. Hope this resonates. Remember, love should bring peace, not confusion. Take what resonates and release what doesn't. If this reading brought you clarity or comfort, please subscribe for weekly love guidance. You deserve clarity, love, and emotional fulfillment. Hello, my beautiful.